Game Theory, Class 1, Video 1. In this video we're going to introduce the notion of games, which are going to be the topic of study for this module. So let's begin. Game theory, in the broad sense, is a study of decision making. It's a study of decision making. Okay? And it has applications in many different areas. Perhaps the most important applications, or certainly the most prominent applications, are in economics. But it also has applications in computer science, psychology, and even evolutionary theory. Evolution theory. But let's just dive in and see the definition of a game. So, definition. A game is any situation in which every player makes a single decision in secret, and the combination of everyone's decisions determines the outcome of the game. Okay? So this is quite an abstract definition, and importantly, it might not be the definition that you're expecting. And what I mean by this is the games that we'll be studying in this module might not be the first things you think of when you hear the word game. So, for example, for us, the following are not games. Okay? For us, the following are not games. Chess, checkers, Go. And why are they not games? Well, these are not games because players make multiple decisions. It's not just one move which determines who wins a game of chess, checkers, or Go. You take turns. I make a move, you make a move. I make a move, you make a move. And that sort of situation is a different type of game. We won't be considering these situations in this module. What else is not a game? Poker, or stuff like roulette. These are not games, and they're not games because they involve chance. To us, a game is a completely unrandom situation where the players make up their own minds, and they know all the possible outcomes. They have all the information. They know what could possibly happen, and they make up their own minds, and depending on how everyone chose determines the outcome of the game. Lastly, something else that's not a game is stuff like football, basketball, and pretty much anything that ends in ball is not going to be a game. And this is because they involve skill. To us, games won't involve skill. Okay? So this is just a list of what are not games. In the next video, I'll give you an example of something which is a game. A very archetypal game which will be important. And that's the end of this video.